Good Tuesday evening, and Kelsey Gergens here in the First Alert Weather Center. We have a significant storm system heading our way. Today we had a break between yesterday's system and the one to come, but later tonight we'll see our first showers arriving along the Central Coast with that heavy rain expected to start in those early morning hours of Wednesday in San Luis Obispo County, making their way into Santa Barbara County as we get to daybreak on Wednesday. And because of this area of low pressure tapping into this atmospheric river and that plume of moisture right there, we expect to see moderate to heavy rain for a good 24 hours across San Luis Obispo County as well as Santa Barbara County. Now, it really depends on where this atmospheric river taps in on who will get the bulk of that rain, but I think it is safe to say that all local cities should be expecting anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rain. Those south-facing slopes could be seeing anywhere from 6 to 10 inches of rain with this system as it comes on down. Now, the system is not only bringing rain, but it is also going to be bringing snow to the highest elevations. It's not as cold as the last system, but it will be for the highest elevations. They'll be able to pick up more than a foot of snow, and with it, some very strong wind, a possibility of thunderstorms, and we are also going to be seeing some really dangerous surf out there, creating some flooding at the beach. Now, as we take a look at what we can expect over tonight, you can see getting to 7 p.m., those light showers first arrive along the Central Coast. By midnight, we start to see that heavy rain come into San Luis Obispo County, with that heavy rain continuing in those early morning hours of Wednesday throughout San Luis Obispo County. By daybreak, Santa Barbara County starts to see that heavy rain, snow for the local mountains as well, and that heavy rain really just sticks around. That same really shooting from right around Conception into San Luis Obispo County and Santa Barbara County for the bulk of your Wednesday. Now, Ventura County, you'll be seeing some wet weather. It's just not as much of a downpour as what be seeing for areas north of Ventura County. Heading into 3 p.m. on Wednesday, we're still seeing that heavy weather. It really looks like this atmospheric river pointing a little bit more towards San Luis Obispo County than it was yesterday. As we get a little bit closer, we'll continue to kind of see where it refines, but overall, all of those local cities are going to be picking up a couple inches of rain. We're looking at anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rain. By the time we get to Thursday afternoon, the heavy rain has passed through the area, but we are left with these lingering showers and a chance of thunderstorms across the area. By midday on Friday, the moisture should have left the area. We'll start to see that offshore flow once again, and then we'll start to dry out as we go towards your weekend forecast. Here's a look at those latest rainfall totals. Model currently bringing the bulk of this system into San Luis Obispo County, bringing cities like Morro Bay more than 8 inches of rain. Santa Barbara 4 inches, close to 5 inches there. And San Ynez a little bit more than 5 inches in Santa Maria. A lot of impacts from this event: rock falls, possibility of debris flows, flooding, wind, and snow are all going to be expected with this event. In fact, we have a lot of advisories that have been issued. We have a winter weather warning. This starts at 3 a.m. on Wednesday, continues until 3 a.m. on Friday, as above 6,000 feet, so not as low as what we saw with the last system. We are expecting to see more than a foot of snow. You combine that with gusty winds, it really creates some dangerous conditions out there. As far as the winds, currently things are calm, but they're going to pick up tonight. Starting at 10 o'clock tonight, continuing until we get to Thursday at 4 p.m., we have these wind advisories and even high wind warnings that are in place. This is because we're going to start to see that south and that southwest wind come on through, anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per hour, gusts up to 65 miles per hour. The biggest issue when you have a wind event like this in combination with a very wet event is we do expect to see trees really taken out of the ground. If the ground gets saturated, these wind gusts have the potential to down trees, down power lines, and that's what we are expecting to see on both Wednesday and Thursday with this event as it comes on through. On top of the wind, it's really going to be creating some very hazardous sea conditions. We'll see high surf out there and a good possibility of seeing flooding there for all of our coastal areas. So we have that high surf advisory that is in place. As far as your forecast temperatures for tomorrow, temperature-wise, not too bad. It's not as cold as the last system. We're in the low 60s there along the Central Coast. Goleta at 60, Santa Barbara at 60, Ventura hitting 57 degrees. But be prepared. This rain is expected to last through midday on Friday.